Vetrox, the unique new patented system and process to gently remove all damages to glass surfaces from already installed panes, right on site. Wherever a house is being built or rebuilt, regardless of the floor, in a rural or urban environment, dismounting and installing glass panes is difficult and cost-intensive, sometimes nearly impossible. The gentle process is even used in already inhabited quarters, easily installed and neatly covered. Whether it's security, normal, or special glass, all damage disappears as if by magic. The choice of abrasive and the number of applications depend on the type and depth of the damage. Normal windows, balcony doors, double doors. Implementation of the Vetrox system knows no boundaries.